tried becoming two famous people with one AI tool, and it worked. On today's video, I'm going to show you a powerful AI tool that allows you to swap faces in images and videos with realistic results. This AI tool gives you access to Nano Banana AI for fantastic text-to-image generations and also has the capabilities of image-to-image AI generations. This AI tool has it all and much more. Hi, I'm Jayne. Welcome back to this channel where I test the wildest AI tools. Let's get straight into it. Go to your browser and type Deepfake Maker.io. The first result that comes out, click it. It opens up like this. Go over here and sign in or sign up if you don't already have an account. The link to Deepfake Maker will also be in the description box. Once you sign in, you get free credits daily. There are over 40 plus AI tools on this platform, from face swaps to video swaps, multiple face swaps for video, AI images, video effects, more tools. You can go and enjoy yourself. Note that you enjoy 100% privacy when you use the face swap, as your privacy matters. I'm going to be testing 4 AI tools today: photo face swap, video face swap, Nano Banana AI, and finally image to image AI. We are going to begin with the photo face swap. Go over here, click the drop down and click photo face swap. Scroll down on the screen and you see its interface. We're going to go over here and upload our base or origin face. Click upload and I'm going to select this file. This is a presenter I generated using Nano Banana AI, which I'm going to show you how to create your own avatar. Just stay tuned to this video. Now you're going to select your target face, like what you want this image to look like. So I'm going to upload an image of myself, this image of me on my set, and we are going to click the swap. And this is the way you can make any AI generated image look exactly like you. So you can use this to create avatar presenters for yourself. And this is the final image, comparing it to the original image with my own image as the base or as the target face. This looks phenomenal. Let's just try one more time. Now this time I'm going to use picture of Hell's Kitchen Gordon Ramsay, okay? And now I'm going to switch over the face because I already have my own face uploaded here. So I'm going to change Gordon Ramsay's face to my face, all right? And we'll just click swap now. This is what it generated. All right. Please note that to create each swap uses coins or the credits that you've already been given. So that is it for face swap. Now let's try multiple face swaps. We're going to go over here to the face swap tab, click it and select multiple face swap. I'm going to click the upload here and upload a base group photo. For this, I'm going to upload this image of these celebrities. Now, once the faces have been recognized, they itemize them out one after the other. So you select which face you actually want to replace. Now, for this particular tutorial, I'm going to be replacing her face with mine. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to select my image. And then I'm going to go over here and click swap face. And this is the finished product. I look really good. It did keep my face. This can be done for purely fun and for your personal purposes. Video face swaps. So you're going to go to the platform, click face swaps, go over here and look for video face swap. Scrolling down, video face swap is selected. You're going to decide if it's a single face or multiple face you want to swap. I'm going to start first with a single face and I'm going to click over here and upload my origin face. I'm going to be uploading this video I generated using AI as well. You can use this slider to select what duration of the video you want to use during your face swap. Now we're going to upload the target face. I'm going to use my face again. And then now, if you want HD enhanced, you want your images, your videos to be HD enhanced, you toggle this on and I can see to swap is going to cost you 30 credits. I are going to click swap now. Once your video is generated, it comes under my creations and then you can click this download button to save it to your device. This is so amazing. This AI tool is able to superimpose my face onto this existing video of this Asian lady. Since we've handled photo face swaps and video face swaps, let's go to the next one, which is their inbuilt Nano Banana AI. Back on this beautiful Deepfake Maker webpage, we're going to go over to AI images and we're going to select Nano Banana AI. Nano Banana AI is a tool that can create images from text, and also images can be enhanced to make a better image. So we're going to start first with text to image. Now I'm going to run a simple prompt. As I told you before, you can create avatars for your organizations, you can create avatars for your own YouTube page using this prompt, okay? So I'm going to generate an image of a female YouTube presenter in a modern home studio. Everyday life with Jayne is written on the background, as this is the name of her YouTube page. And we're going to click generate now. Now, see what was generated. Let's download it to have a closer look. Now let's try and create another image. And to access that, just go over here and click image to image. I'm going to click my reference image. I'm going to put in this my image of me as the presenter. I'm going to put this simple prompt that says, turn this casual selfie into a magazine cover photo, and click generate. Wow, this is very nice. It has even just generated a beautiful magazine cover. I did this twice, and this one was the second generation. Can you see me? My face is on the cover of Times magazine. I did another variant of it, and it all turned out well. Now let's talk about image to image AI. Go on the Deepfake Maker website, click AI images, go to AI image to image. It opens up like this, and you can click try image to image AI now. You're going to go over here and select your photo. I'm going to select this our normal photo. I'm going to come here and write a prompt. Make it cartoon style. We're going to use the default ratios, of which you can change the ratios. That is the aspect ratio of the image that will be generated, and you click generate now. It's going to take some time to generate, but please note you can use this to change the style of your images. Change it to watercolor style, change it to cartoon style, any style that you want, and it's nothing short of amazing. And here is our finished image. So beautiful. And once you're ready to download, click this download button and it's saved to your device. So that is the way this AI tool works, and I think it is very, very amazing. So many things that are here. Just go ahead and check it out and enjoy it. Now to the pricing. Deepfake Maker has many different packages to suit your needs. They have the $9, $29, $99, and $199. Starting at $99, it's very, very fair. And also remember that they give you 100 free coins every single day. So that is it for this video, guys, and I hope that you guys go ahead and try this Deepfake Maker, and I'd like to see your generations. And if you have any questions or you have suggestions, please drop them for me. Please also let me know. Before you go, watch these other videos that are here, and you are going to learn something special. I'll see you guys on another video. Bye.